Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Welcome, amazing, innovative, and progressive educators. How do I know you're one of them? Because you're here. So today, I'd rather be teaching Wonderopoly QRBreakIN style. So what is it? Well, this is tailor-made for 21st century student engagement through module learning and asynchronous teaching. This truly is a game-changing approach to small group center instruction. Now, everyone plays everything, and the only way through it is to do it. There's no time on the bench. So let's just look at some of the ways that QRBreakIN really checks all of the boxes for the skills and things that we want to see in our classroom today. If we're talking about the 4 C's, communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, QRBreakIN has it all. There is immediate feedback, modeling a growth mindset, multiple modality learning. Students learn in lots of different ways, and there's lots of different ways that they like to interpret their learning. Student drawing, self-guided learning. We're going to put in some technology, learning through play, and something that is really huge for QRBreakIN is lots of peer-to-peer interaction. So there's really a 3-step process to this. Select, solve, and redeem. Now select, students will be getting a new puzzle to solve from the available choices by rolling a dice. They're going to solve the activity, and they're going to be taking that puzzle to their desk group with their teammates. Then they're going to redeem the puzzle to earn the color-coded success badges. You know they love that. Now, this can completely replace lectures or that direct instruction that we typically do at the beginning of a unit. This is truly going to add instant life to Wonders. We really need that. And this is going to be tapping into your students' sense of autonomy, wonder, and especially their curiosity. What's really great about this pedagogy is that there's no more of that kind of age-old 3, 2, 1, rotate type of approach to small group centers. And as we know, there's always groups that have been done for ages, and they're just kind of sitting there until the timer goes off. And then there's other groups that are not ready to move on, but they're told that they need to. And then they're asking you like, wait, I just have one more question I need to do. So this really eliminates that. There's no need for those expensive kind of breakout boxes with locks. None of that. And usually there's only a few students at the end of breakouts that get to unlock the box and have a lot of the fun. This eliminates that also. And we're talking about escape rooms. I've used a lot of them in my classroom. I know if you've used escape rooms, you've noticed that there's students that do not really participate as much as other students. Sometimes there's a student in a group that just kind of takes over and figures out the puzzles and puts in the codes, and then they break out. So again, all of this is eliminated, and this is a total game changer. So I hope you stick around for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.